my name is Amanda Massey and welcome to my YouTube channel, Massey Styles. Today, we're going to be talking about some things that you should pack for a winter vacation or a summer vacation. I know you guys are thinking about that as we start the new year. What are you gonna do for vacation in a couple months? So I wanna talk to you about a couple things you should pack for winter and summer. And then for the skincare portion of the video, let's talk about how to keep your skin hydrated while you're on the plane, because you wanna walk off glowing and looking beautiful. So I'm gonna help you out there. But first, as always, let's talk about what I'm wearing. These boots are by Steve Madden. They're so comfortable. I wear them all the time. They have a really thin heel, but the bottom is like a little bit thicker, so it's easier to walk on. And then this is a dress that I just found at a really small boutique in San Diego. It's just a cool knit with a flared sleeve. I swear, whenever you're in San Diego, go on Mission Boulevard. There's so many cool hole-in-the-wall boutiques, and also in Bird Rock. Just a little local shopping tip if you're ever in San Diego. And that's really it, just a dress and boots today. So short and sweet, let's get into it. Let's talk about women's wear, what to wear on a summer vacation. Here's a short little condensed rack. Obviously, you'll pack a few more of these items, but I just want to highlight some of the essentials. First, you want to do a cute swimwear cover-up. I just love how all the colors just were so bright and cheery, and you know, it's just really adorable at the end of the day to throw over a swimsuit. And then you want to pack 2 casual t-shirts and a pair of shorts. So I like to do 1 solid color short and then 2 print tops. This is it's by Super Down. I purchased this on Revolve. And then this top you can pair with it. This is by a brand called Meow. Sounds like a cat, but it is not. And then again, I keep plugging San Diego even though I live in LA, but this is another thing I found in San Diego. I used to go to college there, so maybe that's why. Anyways, it's really cute. It has these like little cutouts right here, which I think is really great. I would say pack like 2 more tops, but go in that direction of color and print, and then these would be like your piece that falls to the side, so it's not too overpowering. The next thing I think you should pack is something for evening. This number. It's just so fabulous. It just reminds me of those classic 1920 actresses when they like cascade down the staircase in their long silk gowns and their fluffy feather sleeves. Ugh, it's just so yummy and so fun. So then I'm pairing this with a Dries Von Noten maxi skirt. So again, we're using a solid color for the top and doing a great floral print for the skirt. What I love too about this skirt is how it wraps in the front. So it's almost like a mini skirt on top of a maxi skirt. I thought it was really clever. Another outfit I think would be really great to pack is a traditional maxi skirt. This is by Roberto Cavalli, and it's amazing and flowy, and a lot of women are like, oh my God, it has pockets. How much fun. And then I just did a simple cropped, knotted, long sleeve top that I purchased at Pretty Little Thing. For dresses, I think a linen dress is a must. I love this one by Matthew Broche. I purchased it on Moda Operandi, but it's a linen dress that is remixed with the color blocking of black and blue. 2 other dress options I think are essential to pack is a strapless knit dress. This I purchased at Forever 21, and a wrap dress. This is actually short in the front and it's longer in the back. I was gonna say it's like a mullet, but it's not. It's not party in the front, classy in the back, or anything like that. It's just a really cool wrap dress that is easy to throw on. It can even like double as a swimsuit cover up if you plan to not get in the pool, but really easy breezy, nice wrap dress to incorporate here. In terms of purses, Most of the time, you don't need a ton of purses for a summer vacation because you're mostly at the pool. So you're gonna have like your pool bag, which is like an oversized straw bag to put all of your essentials. And then for like daytime outings or evening, I would pick like a micro mini purse, which is super cute. And then this medium sized purse. This is by Staud. It's all beaded. I think it's gorgeous. But I like how this is printed, but it does go with the array of clothing items that I have on the rack. And if you want to opt for something solid and cute, this as well blends very seamlessly with what I pulled on the rack. In terms of shoes, in addition to your sandals, I think let's keep it simple with some espadrilles. These are Christian Louboutin espadrilles. And then again, platforms are in. I'm not saying that classic stilettos are not cool anymore, but they're a classic. Right now, it's all about the platform. These are by Valentino. They're amazing. I love the mint green. It just screams summer to me. It all flows with the clothes. I think that purses and shoes, less is more. See what has the most synergy with the items that you are packing. Okay, so that sums up summer. Now we're gonna move over to a winter vacation. Now we are moving on to what to pack for a winter vacation. First, you're always gonna need to have your essentials, which are your gloves, your ear muffs, your scarf. I love this fabulous Gucci scarf with a faux fur trimming on it, which is really nice. And then of course you wanna make sure to pack enough sweaters. So I put together 2 example outfits that you can incorporate into your suitcase. This is an Ellie Tahari sweater, and it has a beautiful button detail down the arms and then kind of like a pleated wrist detail. And then I added these jogger dress pants that are tweed. So you get a nice mix of something that's a nice saturated color with these tweed pants. Another outfit that I would suggest is a classic cable knit sweater. It's very heavy in its weight. It's actually a menswear sweater. It's vintage, it's probably 15 years old. It's really toasty and warm. And then I am going to do like a sloppy tuck, which is tucking your sweater on just one side and letting the rest hang out. On this midi skirt that's a knit, I purchased it at Forever 21. You can get knit midi skirts really anywhere. And then speaking of knits, throwing in a knit long sleeve dress is always a good idea. I like this one because of the stripe detail, because I need some color, I need some print, I need some texture, and this dress hits all the marks. Now, for our outerwear, this is a coat that I bought in San Francisco. I just love it so much. When I saw it, it just brought a huge smile to my face. I feel like it really captures the essence of San Francisco, and it goes with so many different things. You can do this dark purple with it. You, of course, can do a great beige cable knit sweater with it. You wanna just pool the colors that are found in the coat, and its versatility is truly endless, and you're gonna get a million compliments getting a short jacket like this. Now, for bringing the drama with a long coat, this gorgeous faux fur coat is just everything. It's so heavy. You can literally be in a snowstorm and you're not gonna feel a freaking thing. I love this. I wear this a lot on Christmas Eve. I just go crazy on Christmas Eve with my outfits. So this is amazing. I purchased it on Moda Operandi. And for shoes, you just need boots. I did a teal boot so that we can bring some color because of these pieces, and then a classic black boot. But what I like about these is they're a little bit different. It's like the boot folded over itself, which is a nice detail, as opposed to just a traditional boot. And in terms of purses, I just packed one, which is really unusual for me, but I did a bright yellow. It might be counterintuitive to do a bright yellow for winter, but just be different, it's okay. And all of these outfits go with this yellow purse, so you can pack more clothes if you just have one yellow purse. Something to think about, something to think about. All right, guys. That's winter, we already did summer. Now let's talk about skincare to keep your face hydrated on the plane. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about skincare and how to stay hydrated while on the plane. Every time I'm off of like a short flight or a long flight, or God forbid an international flight, my skin really hates itself. Like it just looks so dry and gross, like I can't stand it. So even though you may look a little crazy temporarily on the flight, it's fine. You're never gonna see these people again. It doesn't matter. So what I suggest that you purchase is an SK2 sheet mask, Patchology gel under eye patches, and then you're gonna need to get a sunscreen for when you're out skiing or snowboarding, or just, it's good to have a daily sunscreen anyways. The reason that I like the SK2 sheet mask is that it's full of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, and peptides. So what I do first is I put the Patchology eye gel patches underneath. They're full of mulberry and green tea, so it helps to like wake your eyes up. So I put them on first, and then I put on the SK2 sheet mask, and then I just take a nap. Everyone walks by, they think I look crazy, but it's fine. I'm not gonna look crazy when I leave the flight. So that's what I do during my flight to keep my skin hydrated. Now for sunscreen, I recommend Pipette sunscreen. Don't judge me. Yes, it is a children's sunblock, but that's because I have sensitive skin. I break out really easily. So this mineral-based sunscreen, its potent ingredient is zinc, which reflects the UV rays. I really like it because again, I tend to break out. It doesn't make me break out. It's not greasy, it's not oily, and a mineral makeup really works all day. I don't really feel the need to reapply this particular sunscreen. That's really my suggestion when it comes to sunscreens at the end of the day, is find a mineral-based zinc sunscreen that works well for you. Another thing that I like a lot about the Pipette mineral sunscreen is that it also includes a squalene ingredient, so it keeps your skin hydrated and it glides on really smooth, as opposed to other mineral sunblocks can be a little bit chalky after a couple hours. So that's my tips for how to stay hydrated on the plane with the SK2 sheet mask, the Patchology gel, under eye covers, and to protect yourself from the sun when you hit the slopes, the Pipette sunscreen. I'm gonna leave all those links in the description of the video. Tell me how these products work for you. Share with me the items that you're packing for your summer or winter vacation. I want to hear all the things, so don't be shy. Thank you as always for tuning in, and I will see you on the next episode.